What's up everyone? Welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to reset on Redmi A5. That is a brand new one and the price is so cheap for the Redmi company. I got two colors right here. They are so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so alright, so let's go to see how to reset on this phone. As you can see, the phone is locked with the passcode and we forgot the passcode. So that we have to hard reset in order to format the data. Okay, firstly you have to hold the volume up and the power to turn off the phone. Okay, so let's go up and power. I'm sorry, again at the same time. Okay, up and power at the same time, and then you have to select on the power off, and then the phone will turning off, and we have to wait for the powering off completely. And after that you have to hold the volume up and the power again. Okay, so let's go up and power, and then release the power after you seeing the Mi logo appear. Okay, so right here is called recovery mode that we can hard reset on the phone. All right, so firstly you have to navigate to the option called wipe data factory reset. Okay, just use the volume down. Okay, right here wipe data factory reset, and then press the power. Okay, to confirm. Power to confirm, and after that volume down again, and then power to confirm. It is working on formatting the data right now. We have already erasing all the data from the phone. Okay, we have already erased the passcode of the phone, and then after that you have to select on the power to reboot the system and wait for the rebooting to the menu. It may take about 5 minutes for rebooting. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and everybody please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and ring the bell for the future video. Goodbye.